YouTube world. Video number 3. We're on to the good bit. So I have shown you in the last 2 videos my thinking process, my planning process, my mixing process, my consistency check. I think I've covered everything I can think of. So normally, if I was doing a video just on a normal painting, you'd be coming in at this stage. All the background work would all be done. So here's my canvas. Here's my colours. Now, in my first video of this series, I jumped on my computer. And I did think of cutting that bit out because it's just not necessary, okay? But then I thought, no, I'll just leave it in because of what I do. You can do this. So I've basically sellotaped 2 bits of paper together, the same length as my canvas. I've drawn round the flip cups outlined in my little diagram on my computer. And I've written down the colours that I want to put into each flip cup. Now, believe you me, I haven't done this before, and you just throw, when I haven't done this before, you just throw caution to the wind and you get so fed up you think you just bung any old colour in the cup in the end because you think you just lose track. So this is really useful to do this when you're doing a flip cup, to keep track of what colours go in where. I'm a little worried. Got plenty browns, golds, and the mid-range of kind of like silvery reflection colours. Haven't got so much of sky colours, so we'll see how we go. I might need to reach for some whites or silver as we get towards the end. We will see, shall we? So I also have a ruler. I don't know why, I just think it's going to come in handy. And I have my paint catcher, which just about fits, but I think I'll be able to get away with it. So all the planning's done. It should be seamless. And we all know that that is just not the case sometimes. Because people make it look so easy, don't they, on YouTube? Probably me included. Or maybe not. Maybe I overcomplicate things. Chatting away to myself here. Where's my other cups gone? I swear somebody comes in here and moves things at night. So before you get going, this is going to be really weird, I know. A good thing to do is practice. So kind of flipping and dragging, not really fast, not really slow, because all your paint will be up there. You're doing a quick, steady flip, she says. And I always say to people in workshops, when it comes to flipping your cup over, don't think about it, just do it. Okay, so number 1. I'm not going to talk through everything because I'll be here forever. I'm going to speed this bit up. So that last, I did run out some colour in the end, so I put some white but realised the white was really thick, so I just mixed it in. So we'll see how we go. So I took my time in doing that. So we will get flipping. So you can move them once you've put them down on the canvas. Incidentally, I sprayed this canvas about half an hour ago. So I sprayed the back of the canvas to tighten it up. Oh, Chris Schneider, you'd be very proud of me. Look. And no swearing. Now, I need to reposition them slightly. Okay. So Chris, my friend Chris Schneider, check her channel out. She does wonderful flip cups, and I have watched her and I've learned so much from her. She always says, good luck, 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 good luck. God, my heart's pounding. How ridiculous. Okay. One. Yellow didn't quite come out fast enough then. Two. Oh, they're nice colours. Oh, I'm going to have to put some black in there. So I found that really difficult to do and talk at the same time. Okay. I'm going to give that a torch. Yellow. Incidentally, I didn't use any copper, so I'm just going to put some copper through there. That's dark copper. Just to add a bit more interest. And also where the hills are, I did say I wasn't going to add any black, but it's not enough contrast, so see how we go with that. That might have been a mistake, but there you go. Right, tilting. Oh, it looks like one of Chris's paintings. What is that? Always have a pair of tweezers on hand, guys, because you never know what you're gonna find in your paintings. So I'm a little bit concerned about this area here. Good stick. Just help that there. Plenty of paint. You want it to go really slowly. You don't want it to go fast. Just take your time. Now I know why I needed the ruler. So we'll come back to that bit in a minute. Just going to drag a stick through here. Just want to level that horizon out a bit. How did that happen? Try and get rid of that. Okay. Back to tilting. Okay, I don't want to tilt it anymore. Let's just double check. Right. Now I'm going to give it a quick torch before I do anything else. So I've been quite thorough there with the torch. I did mix these paints up today, so a little bit bubbly through there, but that's quite a nice sandy effect there. Now you can't see because you're looking down, but this edge here and this edge here are not covered in paint. So I'm going to do that now just by picking up some paint off the same colours, probably doing a couple another flip cups and just doing the sides. So there you have it. It's actually come out better than I thought. The colours in the sky are subtle, which is what I wanted. The horizon there, the hills, is better than I thought. This little area I hope will develop a little bit more. We'll see. No silicone used at all. I didn't really want anything happening. And the sandy effect down here. Now I'm really pleased with this actually because it does give that sandy feel. And then the darker area below. So the next video will be the dry one and how and if I paint those the jetty in. Let's see.